Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Kenmore Aqualite Wet Dry Floor Mop. Here I've got a really big mess. We're going to see how it does. Okay, we got a really big mess here. I got some muddy dog prints, some chocolate syrup, some grape juice, and some SpaghettiOs. Let's turn it on. Let's go to maximum. Now there is no trigger. It's going to put the solution down automatically. It's very easy to maneuver. All right, did a good job on those. Let's go over to this really big mess here. Seems to be doing a good job. Now let's go right up next to the wall. Yeah, it glides really easy. Now let's get this really bad chocolate. This can be really hard to get sometimes. Now I can mop the rest of my floor. It glides really easy, it turns. Once the big mess is cleaned up, now I can just mop the rest of my floor. Okay, I thought it did a really good job. You know, after I went over it a couple times, it is very clean now. So here's where all the dirty water again. There is a maximum line, but let's put it on the base station. It's going to start charging, but let's do a self-cleaning. Takes about 2 minutes. So it's going to put some solution on that roller, then it's going to suck it up into the chamber. You can see the solution down there that it's putting on the roller. Then it's going to turn the suction on here. So that takes about 2 minutes. Okay, it's all done. Again, when I was using it, there's no trigger to push. It's all automatic. It's got 3 modes of operation. It's got like a normal, where it puts down normal solution. It's got a maximum solution, and maximum suction. And it's got where it just sucks up only, doesn't put any solution down at all. All right, let's take the dirty water tank off. We need to go take everything out and clean that. Now around back, this is where the clean water goes and the solution. And you can see it didn't use a whole lot of it, but it's got a nice big tank. And down here, let's see how well it cleaned the roller. Yep. Now it does start a blower after it's done the self-cleaning cycle. There's just air blowing out this ports right here onto the roller. It's not hot air and it doesn't turn the roller. We can turn that off right here by hitting that, but it will stay on for 4 hours automatically. All right, let's take the roller off and just see, pinch those little tabs right there. Yeah, it did a pretty good job of cleaning it and everything. Putting it back on is super easy. Okay, now we're over at the sink. Again, you're going to take this off and empty out all that dirty water. And it does come with a brush. We can get in there and get that all nice and clean. Now, again, once in a while, you will have to clean this filter and make sure it's nice and dry before you put it back. Okay, so I did buy this with my own money. It does retail for $300. They have a $30 coupon, so $270. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good price point. I do wish the display would just be a little bit brighter, but I do like the functionality of it. It doesn't talk to you or anything. Sometimes I do like the ones that talk to you, but I do like the sensors in the tanks. Sometimes on the Tennicos, I get false indication, like the unit will shut off because if it has that sensor for electricity in the tank, it'll sense that it's full, and sometimes it just shuts off prematurely. But this one, I did not have that. It's easy to work on. It's relatively lightweight. You know, that's a pretty nice feature. There are some, I think the Dream H12, it rotates the roller and it blows hot air on the roller. So I think you're going to start seeing more and more of these. At the very least, just blow some air on there to dry that, because that is where the stink comes from, is when it stays wet for a super long time, that can start to stink there. I like that they give you an extra roller and a nice brush. It is a nice charging station. Now I will be doing some comparisons with this. I'll be comparing this to the Shark, a Hydrovac, and also the Bissell, and also the Tenneco. Now, I haven't done any testing, but it does say the battery will last 35 minutes. So I will put a link to this in the show description notes. I am an Amazon affiliate. If you click on the link, the product won't cost you anymore, but I do get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of supporting my channel. Again, I bought this with my own money. Would I spend $270 on this? Yeah, that's a pretty good price point for everything you're getting. Also, if you could hit a thumbs up button underneath the video, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button. I'm doing all kinds of videos on these floor cleaners like this, the Tinico, the Sharks, and also a bunch on robot vacuums. Look for my logo over on my Instagram page, Just a Dad, on Instagram and on Facebook. That's where I do my free giveaways. Now, Kenmore is going to send me one of these for free. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted one, but I said, I already bought one. But if you would like to send me one for free, I'll give it away on my Facebook group page and Instagram. So go over there, hit a follow, look for that coming soon. I will be giving away one of these for free from the manufacturer. So again, really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.